You all. Recently for Christmas, she got a kitchen, but it didn't have as much things that I thought it was going to have. So, saw this on Amazon. Check us out. Look at all these cool things that are inside. We're about to open it. Wait and see. All right, what you got?
Hot dog thing. Hot dog thing. Kitchen thing. So I can make
Pretty much everything in here for a kitchen. We have those big pots and pans that she sees me use when I cook. Look at this. They have a scale for a child kitchen. I love it. We have grilled food. Look, Chinese food. Look, it has chopsticks and everything. This is cool.
And
this
we
is so
have
cool.
stickers.
And there's stickers. Eggs, knives, a teapot. I love it. I love it. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Well,
All right, you guys. You might be asking yourself, how much do all of these things cost? Well, on Amazon, it was about $20. But when I put the coupon in from Run Deals, I was able to get all these items for $10. Check us out. Look at all these items. My daughter loves it. She has her own little kitchen now. Again, just $10. Run Deals has everything that you're looking for. If you're looking for home items, if you're looking for kid items, if you're looking for things to put in at your job, Run Deals is the place to go. They have 50, 60, 70, 80, even 90% off items. I lucked up and got this for my child, and she loves it. Go ahead, get in.